guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my top 5 products under rupees 500, okay? So this includes skincare, makeup and there's also a perfume that I will be sharing with you all. So yeah, if you want to know which my favorite products are, then please continue watching. So first let's start with skincare, okay? तो अभी गर्मी का सीजन आ ही गया है and I'm sure you guys must be looking out for that perfect skincare product that will keep your oily acne skin in control, because गर्मियों के सीजन में you tend to sweat a lot, your skin tends to feel very oily, okay? So पहले के ज़माने में I remember my mom used to bring that calamine lotion which you used to get in most of the medical stores. But calamine lotion, although it would give you like really good oil control, but it also used to be extremely drying, okay? But calamine lotion के काफ़ी ज़्यादा benefits भी होते हैं, okay? So keeping that in mind, Dermaco brings to you this new range called as the Hyla Calamine range. So this range contains 6% Hyla Calamine matte face lotion and the 2% Hyla Calamine oil control face wash. So let's start with the first product. So this is a 6% Hyla Calamine matte face lotion which contains 5% calamine, 1% hyaluronic acid complex as well as 3% niacinamide. So this formulation absorbs and controls excess oil in the skin and gives you a fine matte finish, and the antibacterial properties of calamine helps to clear up whiteheads and blackheads actively, and the hyaluronic acid complex maintains a healthy hydration level, not making the skin feel dry. And the best part is this lotion also contains SPF 20 which protects your skin from both UVA as well as UVB rays. Also this has an extremely lightweight texture that gets easily absorbed into your skin, and it actually makes your skin feel so much more smoother and hydrated, yet at the same time it also gives you a very nice matte finish. Also Dermaco did a recent clinical study according to which this 6% Hyla Calamine matte lotion reduces sebum by 9% and increases skin hydration by 53% within just 15 minutes of application, and it also helps to reduce acne by 21.23% after regularly using it for 28 days, which is roughly around 4 weeks. The next product from this range is this 2% Hyla Calamine Oil Control Face Wash, which again contains 1% calamine, 1% hyaluronic acid complex as well as 1% niacinamide, which helps to very nicely yet gently get rid of all the oily residue and thereby keeps your pores clean and acne at bay. It has hyaluronic acid complex in it which leaves the skin hydrated and calm, and calamine which eliminates excess oil while soothing the skin as well. This face wash has a non-drying formulation which maintains healthy hydration and nourishment while maintaining the natural moisture of the skin. Also the best part is both of these products also contain niacinamide, and niacinamide, if you do not know, helps to reduce acne scars and dark spots, and in turn it leaves your skin feeling even toned, smooth and soft. So I've given the direct links of both of these products in the description box below, and in case if you wish to buy these two products or any other products from Dermaco, you can get it at a flat 20% discount by using my coupon code which is mentioned right here. Also now all of the new Dermaco products are 100% fragrance free, and also Dermaco products are available on Dermaco's official website, on Amazon, Nykaa as well as on Flipkart. And also I really appreciate Dermaco's new initiative wherein every time you make a purchase through their website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to educate 10,000 plus students across the year. Now moving on to the next two products. Both of these products are makeup products and both of them are by the brand called Insight, okay? So the first product is my absolute favorite, okay? So this is the Insight Lip Pout Color Palette. So this is basically a lipstick palette which has about 10 shades totally, okay? So you get 10 different lipstick shades. Now you can use this lipsticks on its own, like individually आप हर एक shade भी use कर सकते हो, and then you can also mix and match and create your own custom color as well. Like personally मैंने ये lip shade create करने के लिए I used this particular shade and this particular shade, and I got this very beautiful custom made lipstick shade for myself. And also these lipsticks are matte texture, okay? Matte, इनका formulation matte finish है, so it does not give you like oiliness या sticky feel नहीं होता. It's a completely matte formula, and also these are extremely creamy to apply also. So I'll just give you a swatch, ठीक है? So इस तरीके से आपको 10 डिफरेंट शेड्स मिल जाएंगे एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो मिक्स एंड मैच, ठीक है, आपके हिसाब से इफ़ यू वांट अ वेरी यूनिक शेड यू कैन mix and match a couple of shades and get your very unique shade which is so amazing. And also because it has a matte formula तो ये ट्रांसफ़र होता है बट उतना ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, ओके, इट विल नॉट ट्रांसफ़र लाइक, थोड़ा सा जैसे आप देख सकते हैं हल्का सा एक ट्रांसफ़र थोड़ा सा आता है, बट उसके अलावा लाइक एकदम भी ऐसा क्रीमी फॉर्मुलेशन नहीं है कि पूरे ही आपके कप्स एंड एवरीथिंग पे ट्रांसफ़र हो. सो अगेन आई रियली लव द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक्स. दीज आर रियली रियली अमेजिंग. शेड नेम भी पीछे आपको दे रखा है एंड विद इन लाइक अंडर 500 रुपीज़ यू गेट 10 डिफरेंट शेड्स ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो कस्टमाइज your own lip shade also, so that's really really amazing. So if you're someone like me जो travel में थोड़ा सा light carry करना चाहते हो, you know, you don't want like different lipsticks to carry, you can just carry this single palette and आप आपके हिसाब से कोई भी you know lip shade आप create कर सकते हो. So yeah guys, this was the next product. The third favorite product of mine is again by Insight and this is the HD Conceal Correct and Contour palette which again looks like this. So this is like a dupe of the MAC का जो Contour Conceal palette, concealer palette आता है, exact dupe है उसका. So इसमें जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं I have taken the shade Deep Skin के लिए, ठीक है. सो इसमें 3 डिफरेंट वर्जन्स आते हैं. there's a fair, there's a medium and there's a deep skin का palette. so I have taken the deep skin का palette like you can see here. तो इसमें you will get one color corrector, ऑरेंज कलर करेक्टर आपको मिल जाएगा. देर इज़ वन डीप कॉन्टोर शेड, ओके, दिस इज़ अ क्रीम कॉन्टोर एंड देन यू विल गेट 4 डिफरेंट कंसीलर के शेड्स, ओके. सो ये वाला मेरे स्किन टोन के लिए हाईलाइटिंग का काम करता है एंड देन दीज 3 शेड्स यू गेट टू यूज़ एज कंसीलर्स, ओके. सो ये बेसिकली इफ़ यू आर बिटवीन लाइक NC 42 एंड अबाव देन यू शुड गो अहेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर पैलेट विच इज़ अ डीप पैलेट बिकॉज ये जितने भी शेड्स हैं दीज 3 शेड्स रियली वर्क वेल फॉर यू नो कंसीलिंग. ये जो आपको स्पॉट कंसीलिंग अगर करना हो तो उसके लिए ये 3 शेड्स बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. यू ऑल्सो गेट एन ऑरेंज करेक्टर. सो अगर आपको बहुत सिवियर डार्क सर्कल्स है, पिगमेंटेशन है, तो उसको कलर करेक्ट करने के लिए भी ये काम आ जाता है. एंड देन टू ऐड अ बिट ऑफ ब्राइटनेस टू योर अंडर आई एरिया यू कैन यूज़ दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड फॉर यू नो दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्राइटनेस इन टू योर स्किन. सो पर्सनली अगेन यू नो इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु लव्स टू ट्रैवल light then this is a perfect option. In fact both of these products are really really travel friendly. एक ही palette में you get so many different shades which serve different purposes as well. So you know nothing can get better than this and both of these products are under 500. In fact this is just for about 200 or 250 if I am not wrong. I will be mentioning the prices right here as well as इसके direct links भी मैंने आपको नीचे description box में दे दिया है. So definitely do check out these 2 products as well. And finally coming on to my last favorite product. So recently Plum has launched their new Eau de perfumes. Okay, so these come in 3 different variants. मेरे पास तीनों variants है but जो बाकी 2 परफ्यूम्स है वो मुझे इतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आए बिकॉज दोज स्मेल रियली लाइक यू नो केमिकल, एक आर्टिफिशियल फ्रेग्रेंस है विच स्मेल्स वेरी चीप, ओके. बट ये जो पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट है विच इज़ द प्लम बॉडी लविंग डू योर ब्लिंग वेरिएंट और द परफ्यूम, दिस इज़ अगेन अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर रेड कारपेट लक्स कलेक्शन. बट इसका जो फ्रेग्रेंस है इट इज़ सो अमेजिंग गाइज. सो यहाँ पे मैं आपको फ्रेग्रेंस नोट्स मेंशन कर दूँगी. सो द टॉप फ्रेग्रेंस नोट्स आर ब्लूबेरी एंड ट्यूलिप, द मिडल नोट्स आर मे रोज, फ्रीजिया एंड कैरामल एंड द बेस नोट्स आर ऑफ वनीला, पचूली एंड लाइक मोर ऑफ लाइक वुडी नोट्स है इसमें. सो इसकी जो फ्रेग्रेंस है इट इज़ सो नाइस एंड सो कम्फर्टिंग, वेरी लाइक वुडी फ्रेग्रेंस है विच आई रियली रियली लव. आउट ऑफ द 3 यू नो द लॉन्चेस दैट दे हैव, ये जो पर्टिकुलर वेरिएंट है विच इज़ द डू योर ब्लिंग वेरिएंट is I would say the best among the 3, okay. So this one has really nice comforting notes, very warm notes, very woody notes which I really love. And also it comes in this kind of packaging, again very travel friendly packaging, and it also comes with the pump so you can nicely spritz this all over your body, okay. So बहुत अच्छा packaging है and you get about 15 ml of product in here and it retails only for rupees 345 which is so amazing, right? And for the price and the quality, the fragrance is really amazing. So if you're looking out for like a budget friendly perfume option and if you like you know warm comforting woody notes, then try out this one. द डू योर ब्लिंक वेरिएंट. ओके, सो अगेन इसका भी लिंक मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है. So yeah guys, those were my top 5 favorite products under rupees 500, and like always I've given all of the direct links in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.